Fees must fall. Let's see. Students are going AWOL about high fees paid at universities. The situation is worsening each and every day. Hashtag fees must fall, as they call it. Hello? Hello?
Everything is in order now. We can launch the attack anytime from now. Make sure the president do not get this.
Make sure everything that I need is in order, including my visa. Don't fuck with me.
I'm only fucking around with the country. Business is business.
Cindy! What a lovely day. Take a seat, please. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Sir, something weird happened today. I got a call. It was a conversation between two men.
I'm listening.
Well, one guy sounded Russian. The other one had a South African accent. You know, it was like they were planning on attacking our country. You know, sir, if I can get this would be a breakthrough for me as a journalist.
Why are you telling me this?
Well, you know, as someone that I trust, I know you can help me. I need you on this one.
How are we going to do that?
Well, picture this.
Cindy, I know that you're a very good journalist. But this is very big for all of us. Focus on what you're good at. Fees must fall thing.
But sir, you don't understand. You know, if we could...
Cindy! This is very big for my family. I don't want to put my family in danger.
I just can't believe you, sir. But come to think of it, I will not rest until this is over. Trust me, I won't.
This Cindy woman is becoming a problem.
Yes. I need your help. Where are you? All right, I'm coming.
If I had a phone, was gonna make a phone call away. If I had a car, was gonna drive 100 kilometers away. If I had a gun, was gonna blow, 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 blow. Even if I had it, was gonna blow, blow, blow. You know you gon' blow, son.
Who the hell do you think you are? You think you're the president of the president?
Yay, you don't scare me.
They're drawing the pyramids.
Let's quickly do this. I don't feel safe anymore. And besides, it's the only number that I received. What?
The test shows the call is from Moscow, Russia. However, the receiver is here in Johannesburg. Here's the number.
Oh, wait. This number looks familiar. I know the number. Where are you? Hello?
I can see you. I'm right behind you.
How could you? I trusted you. How could you sell your own people to the Russians? Of everything this country has done for you. That's why you did not want to help them.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
What do you mean you don't know what I'm talking about?
I really don't know what you're talking about.
Listen to me. How could you desert your own country?
What?
How could you? I want the truth. How could you do this? I want the truth. I want the truth right now. Right now. What do you mean it's too late? I want the truth.